forever. The merits of Surah Al-Baqarah. It is not only the longest surah in the Holy Quran, but also contains quite a large number of injunctions. The Holy Prophet ﷺ has said, "Make a habit of reading the Surah Al-Baqarah, for reading it brings down on you the blessings of Allah, and neglecting it is a matter of regret and a misfortune, and men of falsehood cannot overcome it." Al-Qurtubi cites the blessed companion Muawiyah to the effect that the men of falsehood referred to here are sorcerers, and the implication is that one who keeps reading the surah becomes immune to the effect of black magic. The Holy Prophet ﷺ has also said that Shaitan flees from the house in which the surah is read or recited. Another hadith says that this surah is the apex of the Holy Quran, and that a retinue of 80 angels had accompanied each of its verses when it was revealed. The blessed companion Abu Hurairah radhiyallahu anhu reports from the Holy Prophet ﷺ that there is a verse in the surah which enjoys a superiority over all the other verses of the Holy Quran, and that verse is the verse of the Kursi. Ayatul Kursi, ayat number 255 of Surah Al-Baqarah. The blessed companion Abdullah ibn Masud says that 10 verses of the surah have such an efficacy that if one recites them at night, neither shaitan nor jinn would enter one's house, nor would one and one's family be affected with illness or calamity or sorrow that night. And that if they are recited over a man suffering from a fit of madness, his condition will improve. The 10 verses are these: the first 4 verses of the surah, 3 verses in the middle, that is the Ayatul Kursi, and the 2 following verses, and the last 3 verses of the surah. This surah enjoys with regard to its contents as well a special distinction. Ibn al-Arabi reports from his elders that in the surah there are 1000 injunctions, 1000 prohibitions, 1000 subtle points of wisdom, and 1000 parables and references to historical events. That is why the great Caliph Umar radhiyallahu anhu spent 12 years in learning and meditating over this surah, and the blessed companion Abdullah ibn Umar spent 8 years to learn it.